any option. Everything will go. So let me go up and show you the beautiful view of this Guna cave. Right now we are in Devil's Kitchen, which is so famous for Guna movie. Let's see how the nature gifted this Devil Kitchen. Nice, no? They're calling this nature as a Devil's Kitchen.
There is some hidden history behind this devil's kitchen. According to Hindu mythology, Pandavas stayed in the caves and cooked their meals. Then later it called Devil Kitchen. But why this is so called Guna Cave? Once the blockbuster movie Mr. Kamal Hassan have played the Guna movie, then it called Guna Cave. Let's enter to this Guna Cave. But guys, I would like to tell you, while visiting this Guna cave, it is literally so important to take proper safety and precautions. The cave is narrow and the rocks are uneven as well, so it can be slippery and dangerous. It is advisable to wear proper footwear and take a guide with you. I thought no one will be there when I entering the cave, but literally I amazed after seeing a lot of people. So it literally so advisable. Just go on weekdays, not on weekend. So you got one lesson: do not go to the Guna cave if you are literally want to see capture your picture or anything. I got stuck with all the people. Cannot take my lonely selfie in Guna cave, and this is our Guna cave where they've shot this amazing movie. And this is our cameraman. Don't know why he is acting actually so weird right now. After entering the cave, don't know what happened to him. Whether the cave will, the devil attacked him or what. டேய் பையா கீழே இறங்கி வா. After I seen this Guna cave, I think it's made of three dark, narrow, and winding nature rock formations that lead to a large chamber. The rocks inside the cave are mostly igneous and metamorphic rocks as well, and some part of the cave have a smooth surface while others are literally so rough and uneven. So be careful when you are visiting the cave. Just wear some good slipper, proper mask, and take a guide with you guys. That is my best advice for you when you are visiting any tourist place alone.
Called Guna Cave. It is so famous for the Guna Cave because after they shot movie Guna with Kamal Hassan, sir, it became so famous. So they changed the name into from Devil's Kitchen to Guna Cave. Literally, I understand why they used to call these as a Devil's Kitchen because it has a deepest cave. By the way, if you drop something down, you cannot take it out. And these are all the places that we can cover it up as of now. People used to claim, since it's a Sunday, a lot of people arrive, Devachal are there, they can come and go. Entry fee is just 20 rupees. You can come with your family members and babies also, but you have to take care of your babies. Like how it's protecting the baby. Okay. Let me show you the Guna cave. This cave is so deepest one. If you see this one and all the fences, all the fences, they just close these all fences because if you drop something down, it is so deepest one. So deep. I'm so scared also because if I drop my mobile, I don't have any option. Everything will go. So let me go up and show you the beautiful view of this Guna cave.
Go safe.
Amma.
See?
Okay, fine.
இங்கே கட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
இங்க இந்த மரத்துக்கிட்ட இருந்து எடுக்கலாம்.
ஆமாம், 4 குரங்கும் தெரியும் கண்டிப்பாக. ஆமாம், 4 குரங்கு கண்டிப்பாக. ஒரு குட்டி குரங்கு, 3 பெரிய குரங்கு.